So this is where I've logged my results in results.csv file, and this is the timestamp, right? So this basically has the columns, game ID, the mode that we are using, that is turn or simultaneous. We have two options. Then team A and team B, the agents that we use for each team, and the winner from the from whether basically choice between A or B, which team wins, and the reason why it is winning, and also the number of steps for each agent that it required to win, right? So this is where I'm logging it all. So the index one turn random, right? Random is team A. Team A's agent is random, and team B's is greedy. So I'm just telling you how to read this output. Winner is A in random versus greedy, where all B players are captured, and the steps it took was 23. Right. So this is just an example. Now we basically have five runs for each of these. Team A versus team B. So in total we have basically four agents, right? And they need to basically perform all these in round robin fashion. So in all we'll have 60 basically games in the tournament. So first we have team A taking random, and team B taking the greedy agent. Then you see that team here you see in the 16th game, team A has been given greedy, and team B is given random, right? So that happens for five more iterations. And similarly, we just basically alternating between team A and team B. We'll give random to team A, and then perform. We'll give the agent random to team A, and then for team B, we'll choose greedy, alpha, beta, and MCTS. Then change for team A, we'll give greedy to team A. Then for team B, we get random, alpha, beta, MCTS. And similarly, we just do it. We just keep alternating between these, and you can see how it's changing. And now I can show you basically how my CLI looks. So this is basically the Kabaddi game menu where we have four options: run demo match, that is random versus greedy turn based, right? So this is the demo match in which I have already predefined random versus greedy just to show you how it runs. Then we have running the single match, that is choose the agents and mode, and then save to log, and running the tournament, save to log, and summary. So this is after running the tournament. All of this we get after running the tournament. Now here I'm showing you the run single match one. So I've entered the choice and forced to quit. So I've entered the choice to run single match. So here it asks for the prompt, choose the agent for team A. Available agents we have random, greedy, alpha, beta, and MCTS. So we have to exactly enter the same name, whichever agent we have to choose. So I've entered for team A random, and for team B I've entered greedy. Then I've chosen the mode from either turn or simultaneous. So I've chosen turn. So these are the prompts that we have to fill in via our keyboard input. Then after, now it prints the output. So after A move, we have this is as the step one. A0 alive position. Alive is basically it has not yet been captured, and A0 alive position, it basically mentions the position as well, 2,0, and this is 4,0 A1. Team B 1,7, and team B's B1 player alive position 3,7, and A and B the holds position. Then we have step two, then step three. So similarly, it will all move, and you see basically B has moved to this position, right? In the step two, B has moved to this position. So B0 and B1 both have moved. So this is basically coming as 1, right? And A is basically moving at random. You can see A is moving randomly because I've chosen the random agent, right? So A has the option to stay there, and it is staying there. Now it moves randomly, It is not going towards enemy territory at the moment. It is just moving randomly. And B is moving heuristically according to the Manhattan distance heuristic. So it is moving greedily, right? You can see it keeps moving and gets closer to our gold for team A. It has entered A's territory and has finally taken at step 14 the uh, gold. It has captured the gold of team A. So now it says carrying. So carrying the gold. Now it is going to carry it, right? It is carrying, right? It has moved to the next position, right? And again, now it has entered the terminal B. B0 carried A's gold back to B territory because now it has passed the central line, right? It has moved to the right territory, that is of team B. So winner B, now reason B0 carried A's gold back to B territory. Steps it took was 20, and results saved, right? So that's how this whole thing is running. I can show you another example. So to run, we have to run the command python kabaddi.py. That is my main file, right? Now it will ask us for entering the prompt from between the number between 1 to 4. So let us say I want to run a single match, again 2. Available agents, you can see results. This new file has been created, right? New CSV is created. Choose the agent for team A. Let us say I choose the greedy agent for team A, and then I choose for team B alpha beta, and this is case sensitive, so you have to enter it exactly. And now I choose turn mode. right? So now it would basically print the outputs. You see, it is printing all the outputs. So from turn A to turn B, uh, it is running, right? So A is moving here, then A moved here, then A moved here, B is still here, then B moved one step forward, A moves here, then B stays here, right? A moves here, then B moves next because after B has moved, turn A mode. Now A would move, and A is here, right? So B, okay, sorry, B moves, and then turn for B is happening. So B captured A. You can see B has captured A, right? So turn A, you see whenever B captured A0 alive position, here it was 2,4, but now since B0 and B1 have also come to this location, now A0 is dead and A1, both players are dead, and B0 B1 are alive. So terminal B, all A players have been captured, right? So winner would be B, that is B is basically alpha beta, right? So for team A, we chose greedy, it has been logged here. Team B, we chose alpha beta, winner is B, all A players have been captured in total of 10 steps, right? So that happens. Now again, if I wanted to run a single match, now I use for team A, let us say I use MCTS, and for team B, I use alpha beta. So probability is that alpha beta would win, and I'll choose the mode as turn, and you will see another log here after it is run. So first, team A has chosen MCTS and team B has chosen alpha beta. So now it is running, and it is showing all the steps that are occurring in the turn-based mode. Right now we have step 7, then we'll have step 8. Right. So now we have, it is basically noting down all the positions that we are going to. Right. So it is noting down these positions, and it is how it is changing. So now B came here close to the gold, and A basically came here. B captured A. Sorry, B captured. Yeah, B captured A. Now step 17, turn B mode turn. So okay, A has been able to capture. So B0 is alive, but B1 is dead. Then B1 is dead. Position 2, 1. Right. So it is removed from here. And moving on, step 20, we have this. So you can see this is just going on and on here. And basically they are according to their algorithms, B going according to alpha beta and A going according to MCDS. So we have so many steps in the way, and you can see here B0 carried A's gold back to B territory. So B0 had since you can see here carrying means that this B0 is already carrying the gold, and A is not able to catch it. So after B moved, step 50, turn A mode, right? So after turn A would move above, right? So this A moves here, and this one A moves here. Then turn B mode, B would basically go to the next position, and here it has entered the B's territory. So therefore B0 has successfully carried A's gold back to B territory, and therefore B is the winner, and B is basically alpha beta, right? So yeah, alpha beta won again, and steps it took was 52. So that's how this algorithm is working, and